How to log in JN Mutual Fund account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for JN Mutual Fund account login. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on the very first link you see there and you will be led to the official webpage of JN Fund. Scroll down and select which account you want to log into and tap on the Login Here button. You will then be led to the login portal for that particular account. So go ahead and enter your login credentials, that is your user ID or email ID, and further enter your password associated with JN Mutual Fund and tap on the login button and you will be logged into JN Mutual Fund account if the login credentials that you entered are correct. And just in case if you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password option and recover your password and log in further. So, this is how you can log into JN Mutual Fund account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.